Congratulations, you're about to be upgraded to DealerTrack DMS 2.0. This video will show you how to connect to the new interface and ensure that your documents will continue to print with no interruptions. DMS 2.0 allows you to pick the browser of your choice. In this video, we'll show you how to properly connect using Internet Explorer. We do recommend you install the most recent version and accept all the default settings. Let's get started. Access DMS 2.0 by typing dealertrack.com into your browser address bar. You will now need to save this site to your favorites. Select Favorites and click Add to Favorites. Once you've added the URL to your favorites, sign into DealerTrack using your regular DMS login and select the DMS tab. If you encounter a pop-up blocker, you'll need to enable Popups from dealertrack.com. To enable pop-ups using Internet Explorer, click on the yellow bar with a pop-up block message and select Always allow pop-ups from this site. You should now be signed into DMS 2.0. If you're unable to connect, you may need to clear your browser cache or cookies. To clear these in Internet Explorer, click the Tools option on the toolbar and select Internet Options. Under the Browsing History section, click Delete. The Delete Browsing History page will appear. Check the boxes for Preserve Favorites website data, temporary internet files, and cookies. Once those boxes are selected, click Delete at the bottom of the screen. Once the Deleting Browser History message closes, click OK to exit Internet Options. Now, let's set up your Workstation ID. This defines what printer you want your documents to print to. First, let's look up your existing session ID. For GUI users, click the information link and write down the display device name. For green screen users, it is listed in the upper left-hand corner. Select the Session ID button in the bottom left corner, select Manually Create Session ID, and enter your session ID. Keep in mind that if your session ID starts with QPAD, you should select System Generated Defaults. Mobile device users should also select the Always Prompt for Session ID box and click Save. In the event that your browser cookies get cleared out, you have to re-enter the session ID. For that reason, we recommend labeling your workstation. If your workstation is not already labeled, please take a few minutes to do so. To ensure that your workstation is set up correctly, please test print any document from the system. Your workstation is now configured. Thank you and enjoy DMS 2.0.